Hi everyone, Stuart here. All right, today we're making orange chicken. You all know what it is, and we're making it, and you're gonna make it at home too. We're using white rice. It takes 10 minutes to make it with that rice, and it's all done in about 15 minutes. Dinner any night of the week. All right, so let's get started. To start off, I am using white rice. It only takes 10 minutes. It's not like regular rice. You do not simmer it like you do with other rice. That takes about 40 minutes, and then you burn it or it sticks to the pan, and then you have to throw away the pan. Not with this, okay. So I got my water here, about a third in a cup, and we're just gonna add it in, okay? Just gonna give it a quick shake, lid back on, take it off the heat, forget about it. That's it. 10 minutes, that's gonna be done. So while that's doing its thing, we're gonna get started with the main dish. So I got my chicken, we're making orange chicken today. I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna add in about a quarter cup of cornstarch. We're just gonna lightly toss this. And this is what's gonna give the chicken this nice crispiness, but you get like a light crispiness to it. It's not like that thick batter you would get with deep fried chicken, you know? So I have my oil heating up here, and we're just gonna place this in batches. Now you don't want to overcrowd the pan, because what happens if you do that? The temperature of the oil starts to reduce, then you don't get that crispy texture on the outside and it becomes soggy, and we don't want that. Now while the first batch is going, I got my pan here, we're going to make the sauce. You're going to love me forever because now you know how to make this sauce. Sweet chili sauce, you can get it at any store now. There's a nice spiciness to it too. It's a sweet chili sauce it's called. We got some orange juice, orange chicken. See where I'm going there? I'm gonna add some zest to it, just to give it a more, like just a brightness. That's good. All right, got that. And we have some soy sauce. Just gonna give that a mix. There we go. Now you can use this sauce with chicken, with shrimp. I mean, just always remember how to make this. It's only a few ingredients. So I popped that on the heat. We're just gonna let that do its thing. All the flavors are gonna come together. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes to heat up and start bubbling. We're gonna go back to my chicken now and just kind of have a look. Now with this chicken, it's not gonna get super brown like your deep fried chicken, so don't look for that. It needs to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna get this onto a plate. Better off just to move the plate towards the pan so we're not dripping that oil. This looks good. Now you see, it's not super brown. It's brown in some places, but it's not crazy. We're just gonna add in the rest. All right, that's good. I have my sauce here. If you wanna get nice close in here, you can see that's nice and bubbly, and that's thickening up right there. That looks good to me. I might put it on for another minute. Now you might be asking, why am I using white rice? Listen, I'll be honest, it takes 10 minutes to make, and it's healthy. There's lentils, there's peas, there's chickpeas in there, and rice. It's 40% less carbs, and I know we're making like a fried dish, but like, if you can keep it healthy on one side, why not? Okay, the second batch is ready. It's been about 5 minutes. Just gonna put it onto my paper towels here. We're ready to plate up, that's it. I have some vegetables here to the side. I popped in the microwave for about 2 minutes. I have some snap peas, and I have some red bell peppers. That's going to give just nice color with the dish. And now I got my sauce here. We're going to add in the chicken right to the sauce. Right, so I'm just going to give that a stir really quickly, and that's it. It's done, okay? So we got our rice done, so we're just going to lightly fluff it here. And see the way it comes together? It's just like real rice. Look, it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Again, guys, you want to simmer the water, add the packet, and just let it sit for about 10 to 12 minutes, okay? This is just beautiful. All right, it's time to plate up. All right, so we got our rice here. We're gonna add these vegetables into the chicken. Give that a stir just to heat that up. Like that. Beautiful. I'm just gonna spoon this right on top. Guys, look how great that looks. It looks exactly the same as a Chinese restaurant, but you're eating it at home. Do some more. Some extra sauce around the edges. I like to just get some sesame seeds, like that. And some green onion. I mean, look at this. 15 minutes, we made orange chicken. It's so tasty, that sauce, the right rice. Let's have a taste. What else can I say about this? It's so tasty. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and I'm gonna keep eating this. Bye.